But let's say that you did have a bulb on your meters that you needed to remove. If you imagine that the chassis is still in there, there's still a space here where you can unscrew these. So whether that chassis is in place or not is immaterial to how you do this. For the purposes of reassembling this, notice that that obtuse angle there, it's going in that way. So the narrower of the angles is pointing towards you. That way these tabs at the back kind of flush with the back of these VUs. And your meters come away like that. Or if the chassis is still in place, then you would pull those metal plates out that way, and in that case you would end up with your 4 meters sort of sitting kind of loose like that. So for the purposes of showing you how to change the bulbs, these are the ones I just removed from that 244. I know they work, so I'll get them out of the way. But here's another set from a machine where I noted that these two work and that these two don't. So let's imagine I want to get this dead bulb out and replace it with the bulb from this one. You can see these are actually sealed with tape. So what I do is get some sort of sharp knife. Here I'm using an X-Acto blade, but there's a range of things you could use for this. And so I would just kind of cut along the side here. So at some point, that's going to open for you. And so you can see there's just a kind of fuse style bulb that sits in there, and it comes out down the way. And so you'd bin that, and then you would get your healthy replacement, cut it open in the same way. And you would take that out and put it in the one that had the dead bulb in it. I'm in the position where I've got quite a lot of these, so I haven't had to really dig around and find a new supplier for these. If anyone knows one, hit me up in the comments. Help the community know where to get stuff. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. There's a dude in America, I can't remember his name off the top of my head, but he seems to be using LED bulbs that are designed for Marantz VU meters in conjunction with a resistor. I think it's in the VU meter for some kind of real machine. It might even be a Tascam. So you could investigate that. And then once you've put your working bulb in there, you can just seal it over with Scotch tape, or a cheap alternative to Scotch tape. You don't really have to be too precious about it, as long as you don't go into that area that's visible. I mean, I'm being really messy about that, but I'm just trying to emphasize the point that all you need to do is tape it shut in this lower section down here.